Right, back out at my pickup. Weather's a bit better now. I've had a delivery. Parts arriving and I'm waiting on a delivery, so I'll go into the garage and I'll show you what's arrived for this. For the pickup. I'm waiting on a delivery coming between 2 and 4. What time is it now? About 1:30. And the bench here. Now, that's what I've got here. This was the grill that I bought a while ago, the Orion grill, the 3-bar grill, and I've got a new old stock surround. That's cool, eh? I'm going to pop this off. So the grill's to be painted like that. See, the other one was just tatty. That was courtesy of GS Escorts. Right, there's wee clips. I'll take all these off. This will pop out. So the grill's took some repairs and a bit of paint to do, but I'm going to take a bit of the strength away, right? I'm going to take this off. Wee clips there. So the grill is needing a few wee repairs, like, but that's not coming off. In which case it's been glued before, you never know. Problem there. Go. Yeah, there you. Yeah, that one's quite rough. This other one's far better. This one's got dents in it too, somewhere I can't find where, but there. Yeah. Yeah, but sticky tape in there, but I'll do this body colour, this grill, with the beige, same as the truck, and with that new surround, I'll just be tidy, eh? It does need a couple of repairs, but good. I'll show you what this parcel is when it arrives. Another piece of the puzzle. Yeah. Yeah, if you turn together, this one's mint, the other one's not very good. I must say. Don't want that to fall on the ground. That's my bit of my XF3 front spoiler. I guess what I can give this a scrub and get some prep tape, but I don't need to do it right now. Cool. Right, that'll do this here now. That other thing's a disaster, so I'm thinking about showing you that. It's not the right thing I thought I was buying that this came. That's life. Merry Christmas. Well, I've been moving stuff a bit there. Moved the tractor over to that and covered it up. And then that allowed me to move the pickup back and move the Fiesta down a bit because the Fiesta's arse was sticking out a wee bit. I'll put the tractor back, but I want to put some slabs along the fence lines just so I can get the maximum use of this space. So we'll get that done over the next few days. Yeah, right, that's fine. Merry Christmas.